Now, on one hand, if the NDA is showing its strength, the Congress on the other side is also flexing its muscle and is working on mission mode. The opposition is getting ready for a face-off with the NDA government in the parliament. The Congress has now convened a meeting of its working committee in the Parliament Central Hall to discuss the future course of action. Sources revealed to India Today that the newly elected Congress MP want Rahul Gandhi as the leader of the opposition. MPs will demand that Rahul should be named as the leader of the opposition in the CWC meeting today. It will be after a gap of 10 years that Congress will have the leader of the opposition's position in Lok Sabha. Now, this is a post that the Congress party failed to get, as the party that gets almost 10% of the total seats gets to be the leader of the opposition, and this is something that Congress did not have, both in 2014 and even in 2019.
I think that he would, he's clearly, especially after the two Bharat Jodo Yatras and his extraordinarily remarkable campaigning efforts across the country in this election, he's earned the right to be the star of the Congress party in the Lok Sabha. And I think that just as Mr. Kharge is the leader of the party in the Rajya Sabha, Rahul Gandhi being the leader of the party in the Lok Sabha would be fitting and would be appropriate. So I certainly hope he takes on that mantle.
जन जन की सांसदों की इच्छा, जन जन भारतवासी के मतदाताओं की इच्छा, आज राहुल गांधी एक महानायक के रूप में इस चुनावी संग्राम में उभर कर सामने आए हैं। उनका अनुभव भी अब हो गया, 5-6 बार वो एमपी हो चुके, और जिस तरह उनके अंदर एक नई प्रहार की क्षमता देखी चुनाव में लोगों ने, जिस तरह संसदीय अनुभव उनका देखा, भाषण कला देखी, मैं समझता हूं नेता विरोधी दल के रूप में सबसे उपयुक्त अगर कोई उम्मीदवार है तो वो राहुल गांधी जी होंगे।
Shreya is now joining me on the story. Now, Shreya, with the stunning result of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, it looks like Congress is looking at making the most of this opportunity.
Well, Aishwarya, yes, that's exactly why the CWC will be extremely crucial for the party to discuss and decide how they will steer through the road ahead. One of the crucial decisions, as you rightly pointed it out, will be about the LOP. Last time, the Congress had secured 52. With this time, the number increasing to 99, that position of the LOP is secured. There is clamor for Rahul Gandhi to become the LOP. Apart from that, how will they steer through the alliance, whether in the upcoming elections they will have alliances within the states or not? Those discussions might also take the table. Apart from that, what are the important states and constituencies where the numbers could have increased? Those discussions likely also on the table. And apart from that, we will also be seeing the party majorly discussing on the LOP, and also which of the 2 seats that Rahul Gandhi won will be taken by him, and which seat will he leave. So these will be the key discussions today at 11 when the Congress's CWC officially meets at the Congress headquarters today.
Thank you, Shreya, for giving us all those details. Important questions will be answered at the crucial Congress CWC meeting today.